Hey everybody, welcome back. This week I'm going to make my copper washer necklace. Last week I made the clasp already, right here. So the rest of it, I want to make a centerpiece similar to the earrings I've made in the past, my cha-cha earrings. So I'm going to make a cha-cha centerpiece. I'm going to grab a large ring, and then going up the necklace, you can envision this is the centerpiece with my little dangles. I'm going to go up and have two hammered copper washers up higher on the necklace, and then finish it off with the clasp. First of all, let's hammer out these copper washers. For that, you're going to need your steel block and your chasing hammer. So here is my bead board. These are very handy to have when you're making necklaces. You can lay out your beads really nicely, kind of get a feel for what your necklace is going to look like. So here I have a bunch of beads on hand as far as gemstones, Swarovskis, freshwater pearls. I also have Swarovski pearls as well. So I go through my beads and I pick out a bunch that'll go together nicely. So I just laid them out here. I probably won't stick to this. I'll probably add more, add less, whatever. But with this design board, you know, it's a good starting point. So here is where I'm gonna make my little cha-cha centerpiece. And these beads here, I'm gonna incorporate into the little dangles. I'm gonna use 24 gauge wire for those because there won't be any tension on them. These beads right here, I'm gonna make into bead links. And for those, I'm going to use 22 gauge wire, just so there's a little more strength. I'm going to have a ring here, two rings here, and here's my clasp. Depending on how long I want to make this necklace, I'll connect the clasp at the end. Let me get started. I have head pins here to make my dangles. I have this cute little garnet bead. This loop I'm going to attach to the ring here, so I'm going to have to make my loop a little larger. Next, I'm going to wrap these two smaller briolettes. These are Swarovski copper briolettes. They have a pretty pink flash to them. They're really pretty. All right, so I have the briolette dangles done. So now I'm gonna start with the Swarovski dangles, or just the bead dangles. I'm gonna need my head pins for these. That's all I do, I just bead them on and make a big loop. I went and grabbed a couple 6mm Swarovski for this bead link. Not bead link, bead dangle. And a freshwater pearl. I don't like how this one lays, so I'm gonna scrap it, unfortunately. See how just a tiny dangle looks. Yeah, I like that much better. So now that I have my little cha-cha centerpiece done, all I need to do is attach the individual bead links all the way up. I did scrap the green, pearl, and Swarovski dangles, so I'm just gonna incorporate them in the necklace somewhere as a bead link. No problems there, there's always adjustments on the way through the process. It's just a matter of seeing how it looks along the way. So let's keep going. Switching to 22 gauge wire, just so my bead links are stronger, because since it's a necklace. .22 gauge is thicker, which makes it just a little bit harder to work with, but it will be a lot stronger. These are Garnet Rondelles. A Montana Swarovski crystal, 6mm, and another Garnet Rondelle. So this link I'm going to attach to the large ring. So I'm going to have to make a large loop. And I think I'm going to go back and forth so I can see how my color schemes work out and see what length I'm getting to. One set of bead links on. Let's just keep going, keep attaching your bead links on your way up. Once you get a couple bead links on, you can kind of get a feel for how many more links you're gonna need until you need to attach your next rings. I've got 2 links already. I'm gonna put another link here, at least 2 more links before my rings. You have to figure out how many links you want, because in the last link you gotta attach it to the ring, so you gotta make sure. Okay, so I have attached 2 more links on either side, and I think if I attach 2 more links, 1 on either side, that'd be good enough space where I can add my rings. So let me go ahead and do that. I'll do this on camera. Make a large loop this time. So I've gotten to the point where I've incorporated my second rings, or my second and third rings. So all I need to do is attach bead links to the other side of the rings and keep going until I get to the desired length that I want my necklace to be. And once you get to the length you want it to be, then you just need to remember to incorporate your clasp. I'm going to go ahead and work on mine. I'll meet you at the end. Okay, so I am done with my necklace. I have gone and added 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 bead links. Some of them are just singles with a couple triples in there. That's a single, that's a triple, single, single. And then my clasp. My necklace ended up being 22 inches long. So the same on this side. So that's the clasp. This is the necklace. I really like how these necklaces turn out. You really need to go through and check each one of your wraps to make sure there's no wire poking out. And if not, then you're good to go. There you have it. If you enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, comment if you have any questions, and make sure you subscribe and hit the bell because I make a new video each week. So I'll see you next time.